Some of you probably already know that Instagram is now focusing on videos, on Reels. Back in the day, it was just a photo sharing app. So if you're used to just posting photos on Instagram and then suddenly you have to actually join the video wagon, don't worry, I got you covered. This short video is going to help you transition from plainly or purely photo sharing to video sharing Instagram content. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jackie D and my goal is to help you build your self-esteem while creating a powerful social media presence. And for that self-esteem to grow, you need to be sure that your content is good and that your social media profile is awesome. Today I'm going to help you transition from just posting photos or carousels to posting videos, especially if you're not very comfortable. Number one, you can show off your skills using your hands. Like this one that I'm showing here. This is the feed of Cut the Card. It's US based. So I'm from Canada and I can't wait for their products to be available in Canada. Check out the nails. So show your skills, and then that way you don't even have to put any makeup on. You just make sure that the focus is on what you're doing. And there you go, you have a video. Number two, put all your photos together and create them as a reel. Or if you have some short videos, smiling or just doing your stuff, then you can throw that in and then voila, you have a reel. Of course, it goes without saying that there has to be a relevant message on your reel, right? It has to be related to your niche. So if you are a little bit comfortable showing yourself on video, then yes, you can add those little snippets, or you can even emote to the music that's being played, and then you have an effective reel. And of course, who's gonna miss all those pointy thingy? Right? By all means, do the pointy thingy and discuss key points in your message. You don't have to talk. Let your captions do the talking. Number four, use trending music. Trending music is when you see that little arrow at the bottom, and then you know that's trending. Use that to deliver your message. You can even lip sync or do your facial expressions just to really feel the vibe of the music. Whether you like to talk or not on video, it's always a good idea to use trending music, but make sure to always add captions in case that music suddenly gets pulled by Instagram. Use dynamic captions and power words to express your message and to deliver your punchlines. Talk about relevant issues, causes, or current events. And finally, hop on trending reels. As long as they're related, or as long as you can find a way to associate them with your niche, then definitely hop on whatever is trending and do your own version, tweak it a little bit, because remember, it has to be authentically you. I hope these tips help you in transitioning from just posting photos on Instagram to doing videos, because we all know that Instagram is a very powerful tool, whatever it is that you do, and we all want to be a part of this very dynamic platform. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment, and share, and consider subscribing so that you can stay updated with my tips, strategies, and content. And don't forget, I have a vlog and a newsletter. Sign up and be in the know. I'll see you next week. Bye for now.